Good morning, my friend. World Environment Day is celebrated across the world on the 5th June in order to create awareness among the people about the importance of preserving nature and environment. It is celebrated in most of the school, offices, factories, manufacturing units, etc. As the government is putting a lot of emphasis on the preservation of the environment. You may come across ocean when we may have to deliver a speech on World Environment Day. We present here various space on World Environment Day speech for preparing your for various occasions that come your way. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June across the world. We have assembled here to make plants for this your celebration. Our companies always advocated green environment and preservation of nature. You must be aware that the technology used in our manufacturing units also supports green environment. We are highly the promoters of Green India. Our production unit are well equipment that consumes less water and energy. The unit releases no or less pollution or poisonous gases which also preserve nature, water and the environment ultimately. In order to strengthen our country and the world, it is important that the nature is preserved. The mushroom growth factories and manufacturing unit has also led the explosion of the pollution, rage, gas, dust, etc., which is the determining of the quality of air we are breathing in, water we are consuming every day, and the environment we are serving in. Now, today, 5th June, International Environment Day. Every year, across the country, celebrated the International Environment Day. We are also appealing to common people across India to plant trees, clean up the surrounding, and take action against those that harm animals. We also request people to save water and energy at their respective places as much as possible. At this forum, I would also highlight some of the diseases related to unhygienic living condition and dirty water. Water is the main source of energy, but if it remains stagnant or unclean, then it is become the sources of several dangerous diseases such as dengue, malaria, hepatitis B, chikungunya, etc. It is therefore becomes important that every individual own this social responsibility and take all the preventive measure to cover the uncovered water like tank, pots or coolers. World Environment Day is celebrated to raise awareness about nature and the significance of protecting environment for present and future. For the sustaining life this plant earth, it is critical that the wood, forest, ocean and soil are preserved, and these act as great storage for greenhouse gases like methane, carbon dioxide, fisher folk and former wind. Nature in order the provided us with food. Scientists and researchers develop medicine using these nature products since ages. Please, my friend, you are also responsible for save environment. Please save environment, save plants, save water and save all living things on earth. Thank you.